Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I do my natural makeup look. This look is very soft in the eyes and not too over the top everyday wear. So if you want to see that, just keep on watching. I'm going to start by applying Glossier Priming Moisturizer on my face to have a glowing canvas that's ready for makeup. The foundation I'm using here is a Nars Sheer Glow Foundation in the shade Deauville. It's very lightweight and buildable and it gives you that natural glow. And I apply that using my Real Techniques foundation brush and blend it out with my beauty blender. Next, for my concealer, I use the Urban Decay Naked Concealer in the shade Medium Light and I put that under my eyes and on areas I want to stand out. Then I apply my MAC Prep+Prime highlighter on top of my concealer. To set all that, I use the Kat Von D Lock It Blotting Powder in the shade Light. Okay, so for my eyebrows, I'm using my Anastasia Brow Definer Pencil in the shade Medium Brown. I'm going for a soft looking brow, so I'll just fill in the sparse areas really lightly so it's barely there, and the trick here is to properly blend it out. Then I'm gonna set that using 3D Browtones from Benefit. Next, for my eyes, I'll use this MAC Studio Finish Concealer as my eyeshadow primer. I love to use this as primer because it's highly concentrated and covers the veins on my eyes. The palette I use for this look is the Kyshadow Bronze Palette. This is my favorite go-to palette because it's packed full of neutrals that allow you to go from minimal to a full glam look. First step, I take this shade called Tiger Eye and using a crease brush from MAC, I'm gonna buff that to my crease really lightly to avoid harsh lines. Then taking the shade Topaz, I'm gonna do the exact same thing on my crease with the same brush. Then I'll take a little bit of the shade Bronzite and buff it into my crease using the same brush. And then I'm gonna take the shade Hematite to define the outer V of my eye. Then using a small precision brush, I'm gonna take the shade Jasper and highlight my brow bone. Then I'll take the shade called Quartz and spray my shader brush with setting spray to bring out the color. Then I'm gonna pop that on my lids. Then I'm gonna go back to the shade Hematite on the outer V of my eye to avoid any harsh lines. To finish off my eyes, I use the shade Topaz for my lower lash line to create a softer definition. Next, I curl my lashes using my Shu Uemura curler and apply my Benefit The Real mascara. Then I use my eyeliner from Kylie Cosmetics and apply that on my waterline to make my eyes look bigger and more alive. Then I'm gonna bronze my face using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I sweep that lightly on the hollows of my cheeks using the Happy Skin powder brush. For my blush, I use the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Exposed. And using my e.l.f. blush brush, I sweep that along my cheekbones. Then I use my Kylighter in the shade Salted Caramel and applying that on my cheekbones, forehead, nose, and down to my chin using my Real Techniques setting brush. Okay, so last step, I use this Glossier Generation G in the shade Leo to pair my eye look. So there you have it, guys. This has been my natural makeup look recently. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know in the comments below what kind of makeup look you would like to see me do next. And I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye!